What is a sentence now? तो sentence का एक basic structure होता है. A simple sentence is a group of words that contain a subject and a predicate. Sentence और पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा. तो sentence बनता है subject और predicate से, right? This is a sentence. This is a sentence. इसके अंदर this is a subject and is a sentence is a predicate. What is a subject? The sentence, what the sentence is talking about. The topic or the doer of the sentence is called as the subject. Predicate is what is said about the subject. Predicate क्या cover करता है? Sentence या फिर उस word के बारे में, subject के बारे में क्या बोला गया है. Okay, Aanchal is a good girl. Okay, Aanchal is a good girl. Aanchal is the subject. Is a good girl is an additional information about Aanchal. That becomes a predicate. Sameera looks very pretty today. Sameera is a subject, while looks very pretty today is something adding more to the noun, that is the predicate. Look at this simple example. Sentence, आपके पास subject, predicate and verb के बारे में हम जान रहे हैं. You speak English. You speak English. The above example sentence is very short. Of course, a sentence can be longer and more complicated, but basically there is always a subject and a predicate, and you will understand while you're looking at the examples. So example देखो, you speak English. You speak English. This is the subject. Speaking, बोलना. When you speak, it's an action. It's a verb. And verb is a part of the predicate, by the way, अगर नहीं समझ आया अभी तक. And this, English, is also the part of the predicate. तो subject plus predicate. अब ये easy है, थोड़ा long example भी लेते हैं. Ram and Tara speak English when they are working. So Ram and Tara are my subjects. Verb है यहाँ पे speak, and English when they are working is a predicate, right? So it's the speak भी उस predicate का ही part है. So the above example in the sentence is short, so I have taken a longer example in front of you. Note that the predicate always contains the verb. The predicate always contains the verb. So जब हम पढ़ेंगे parts of speech क्या है मैम? ये sentences का ही part है. ये क्या है? Sentences के part है. And sentences is made up of or can be made up of 8 different parts of speech. There can be 8 different parts of speech. We can have noun, we can have pronoun, then we can have verbs, we can have adjectives, then we can have adverbs. और क्या क्या होते हैं हमारे पास? We can have prepositions, conjunctions, and we can have interjections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are in total 8 parts of the speech and questions यहाँ से आते हैं. But अगर हम समझते ही नहीं sentence के structure को, तो ये भी नहीं समझ आता, isn't it? That is why this class was very important. पता होना चाहिए, है ना? So we have 8 parts of the speech. What is a noun? Noun is name, place, animal, thing. बच्चे नहीं अब हम. एक और चीज होती है. That is abstract feelings. Noun also can be an abstract noun. It talks about emotions also. Love is a strong emotion. Love यहाँ पे क्या है? It is an abstract noun. So we have noun जो कि name, place, animal, thing और feelings के बारे में बताता है. Then we can have pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is going to replace the noun. It is going to replace the noun. So if I again and again say, Tina is a good girl, Tina is coming, Tina is playing, Tina will come today, Tina is my best friend, you will be frustrated, it won't look good. So I can replace Tina with she, right? So when you replace a noun with another word, it is called as a pronoun. Then we have verbs. Verbs are very important in a sentence. As we have already seen, definitely आपके हर सेंटेंस में कोई ना कोई एक्शन हो रहा होगा या फिर कोई स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग होगी. दैट इज अ वर्ब, राइट, जिसे हम क्रिया भी कहते हैं. देन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव विशेषण जो है, विशेषता बताते हैं किसकी, नाउन की या प्रोनाउन की. दे एड मीनिंग इन योर नाउन और प्रोनाउन. टीना इज अ टॉल गर्ल. टीना is a tall girl, right? You are a very intelligent boy. So intelligent, tall, ये सब क्या चीजें हैं? They are your adjectives. They are adding more meaning. There are multiple types of adjectives also. That also we will do. Adverb क्या होता है? जो add करता है meaning verbs में, adjectives में या फिर adverbs में. But यहाँ पे noun और pronoun में addition नहीं होता है. Okay? So adverbs modify other verbs, other adjectives, other adverbs. They can also come in front of the sentences to modify the sentence, but never a noun. Okay? Prepositions. Prepositions आपको subject और object की placement के बारे में बताएगा. Conjunction is like a hook. It joins two clauses, two sentences, two words together. And interjections, if I say Hooray! We won the match. या फिर Oh my God! Oh my God! What have you done? Now teacher is going to scold you. So oh my God! Hooray! Wow! Alas, they are all dead. ये सब क्या है? Feelings हैं. They are interjections जो आपके exclamation mark के साथ आती हैं. Exclamation mark के साथ आती है, right? So finally I hope you understand that कितने parts of speech हैं. ये हम next class में भी थोड़ा सा discuss कर लेंगे. There is one apparent exception to this, that is imperative. Okay, wait. So ये तो read ही नहीं किया हमने. Note that the predicate always contains a verb. Sometimes in fact the predicate is only the verb. कभी कभी predicate सिर्फ verb होता है. जैसे smoke rises. Smoke rises. So it is subject and the verb. We can say that a sentence must contain at least one subject and one verb for it to function properly. लेकिन इसकी भी एक exception है, and the exception is imperative sentences. The exception is imperative sentence. The one apparent exception is imperative sentence when someone gives command. जब आपके पास कोई ऐसा सेंटेंस आता है जिसमें आप कमांड दे रहे होते हो, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस एक्सक्लेमेशन दिखाता है. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो आप. व्हाट, वेयर, हाउ, व्हाट इज योर नेम, हाउ आर यू, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, राइट? एंड इंपेरेटिव क्या होता है? व्हेन यू गिव अ कमांड, राइट? दे यूजुअली डू नॉट यूज सब्जेक्ट. They don't say the subject because it is obvious. For example, if I say, everybody look, you look, wait a minute, stop a minute, or only stop. तो यहाँ पे जरूरी नहीं है हमेशा आपके पास आपका verb हो, right? या फिर दोनों चीजें हो. जरूरी नहीं है दोनों चीजें हो. मतलब यहाँ पे अब देख रहे हो, कभी verb है तो कभी subject है. Note that the sentence expressing a complete thought. Here are some examples of complete and incomplete thoughts. तो sentence हमेशा complete thought देते हैं. Complete thought कैसे पता लगेगा आपको? Sentence अगर आपके पास है, he opened the door. He opened the door. So it is a complete thought. दरवाजा खुल गया है. उसने खोला है. The person that is there has opened the door. So yes, it is a sentence. Come in, please. This is a complete sentence. Do you like coffee? This is a complete sentence. But if I say people who work hard do what? क्या कर रहे हैं ये? Question mark. क्या हो रहा है? तो this is not a sentence. And if I say a fast moving animal with big ears, what? किस animal के बारे में बात हो रही है? क्या सोचूं मैं इसके बारे में? This is also not a complete sentence.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।